Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine. And if you are new to our channel, then watching my video for the first time, you should subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will get our new uploaded videos in the notification bar on the top. So our topic today is very important. So keep watching my video till end. You will get the more information about new topic and new phone signals. Let's start our topic, don't waste our time. So our topic is ways to improve your phone's signal strength. Very impressive and more informative. I will tell you about. It's frustrating when your phone doesn't work, especially if you are in range of signal. Luckily, we have spent many years reviewing cell phones with a focus on networks and radio signals. So we put together a few easy tips for when you find yourself in a dead zone. Here's number one: toggle airplane mode, reboot, or update your phone. Phone can be confused sometimes, especially if you are moving. They might hold on to an old idea of network availability. Your phone isn't constantly searching for the best signal that would like kill your battery. So you need to take action yourself. The quickest way to fix this issue is to toggle airplane mode on, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it off again. Doing so causes your phone to recheck what networks are available. Airplane mode is generally available for your phone's control center or your Android phone's quick setting panel. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access either. In a few cases, you might have to reboot your phone. That's necessary when you cross international borders or sometimes when you enter or leave roaming carrier zone. Occasionally, phone software updates can help resolve signal problems. Just keep an eye on the news to make that sure that the same update won't cause other problems. We cover major version updates for both Android and iOS, as well as any widespread issues that they introduce. The other one is get a new SIM or clean yours. If you are been with your carrier for a long time, your SIM card might not let you connect it to the latest network bands. One culprit. Its contacts may be the dirty or worn down, either four of which can cause intermittent failures. You can start by popping your SIM out and cleaning its metal surface. Use a disinfect wipe or a cotton swab with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. You can also ask your carrier's customer service reps for a fresh latest model SIM cards. Use the carrier's website online chat. Don't go to a store, say you are having network problem and want to try a new SIM card. They should send you one for free. The next one is change your G. 4G and 4G, 5G have different signal properties and sometimes come from different towers. I have seen instances in which a network demands that a phone try to grab a weaker signal that further away, so just so it can get a 5 in the status bar. This isn't just making the network your phone is on. The more efficiently it uses carrier resources, it's therefore worth it to the carriers to have as many devices on the newest networks as possible. Unfortunately, that sometimes means individual devices get stuck with weak connections. It's worth toggle between different available network modes in case your carrier's logic is privileging newer system over more usable ones. After all, a 4G connection can be faster than a 5G one depending on your location. On an iPhone, go to setting and then cellular data options and then voice and data. Here you can choose between 5G on, 5G auto and LTE 4G. On Android phone, go to the setting app to access a section called either connections, network and internet or similar. Choose mobile network, SIM and network or similar. You should see an option to toggle 5G service off, thereby limiting your connection to 4G. And the next one is use Wi-Fi instead of cellular. Are you using Wi-Fi to your maximum benefit? The best work for your phone might be your home network, including for calls. Almost all phones support Wi-Fi calling. which you can generally activate in the cellular or calling setting on your phone. Improving your home Wi-Fi with a match system might be easier than trying to eke out the cellular signal where you live. So this is it, guys. Hopefully you like my informative video. See you in the next video, and then take care.